Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIUS Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I'm going to take information and communication technology class for class 7. Okay dear students, our today's topic is chapter 3 lesson 19 reading and question answer 1 will be discussed. Today's lecture number 11 and homework number 9 will be given today. Okay dear students, today we are discussing chapter 3 lesson number 19. The title of this chapter is Safe and Ethical Use. We will discuss the safe and ethical use of ICT in this chapter. Let's look at the key points of this chapter. Detrimental effects of the excessive use of ICT. ICT is very useful for so many purposes you have learned in the previous chapters, but there are also detrimental effects of it if you use it excessively, and there are some bad sides. These are discussed in this chapter. Then rules and regulations of safe usage. If you want to use the internet safely, there are some rules and regulations to it. You have to follow them for your own safety. Necessity of safe and ethical use. It is necessary to use the internet safely and keeping ethical aspects in mind, otherwise you will be in trouble. Next, dangers of excessive and wrong use. There are many kinds of dangers that you can fall into if you use the internet wrongly or excessively. Next, consequence of sharing personal information with unknown people. There are many unknown people that you can meet over the internet, but if you share personal information with them, there will be bad consequences that you'll have to face later. Name, address, photo, password, etc. must not be shared with strangers. The unknown people that you meet online, you cannot share any personal information with them, like your name, address, your photograph, or any of your passwords. You must not share these things with strangers over the internet. And last but not the least, behaving appropriately when communicating over the internet and not harming others. When you're having communication with other people over the internet, there are many people that you don't know and they don't know you either. But you should behave appropriately with them, and you shouldn't harm others while you communicate with other people. Okay dear students, these were the key points of this lesson. Let's look at the question answer 1. Question number 1. Why should we not provide personal information to unknown persons on the internet? Explain. This is question number 1 from this chapter, and this is related to lesson 19, and this question will be your today's homework as well. So let's see the answer to this question, why you shouldn't share personal information with unknown people on the internet. Answer. The internet is a virtual world. Many people exist in this world with various intentions. While communicating over the internet, we may come across unknown people. If we provide our personal information like name, address, phone number, and photograph to a person with ill intention, we could be in trouble. That person might use this information for a bad purpose. So we shouldn't give any information to strangers on the internet, as it may be harmful. Let's read it again dear students. Why should we not provide personal information to unknown persons on the internet? Explain. Answer. The internet is a virtual world. Many people exist in this world with various intentions. While communicating over the internet, we may come across unknown people. If we provide our personal information like name, address, phone number, and photograph to a person with ill intention, we could be in trouble. That person might use this information for a bad purpose. So we shouldn't give any information to strangers on the internet, as it may be harmful. Okay dear students, you can change this answer if you want. This is a sample for you on how to answer questions. and it is provided to you, but doesn't mean that you have to learn it like this totally. You can change it and add things to it if you want. Our homework number 9 is this question number 1 from chapter 3 lesson 19. Okay dear students, please read the lesson again at home and do the homework carefully. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.